ويذيرني متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
تسعة.
9.
أيام الأسبوع.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
الاثنين.
Monday. Monday.
الثلاثاء.
Tuesday. Tuesday.
الأربعاء.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
الخميس.
Thursday. Thursday.
الجمعة.
Friday. Friday.
السبت.
Saturday. Saturday.
الأحد.
Sunday. Sunday.
الأسبوع.
The week. The week.
من الاثنين إلى الأحد.
From Monday to Sunday. From Monday to Sunday.
اليوم الأول هو الاثنين.
The first day is Monday. The first day is Monday.
اليوم الثاني هو الثلاثاء.
The second day is Tuesday. The second day is Tuesday.
اليوم الثالث هو الأربعاء.
The third day is Wednesday. The third day is Wednesday.
اليوم الرابع هو الخميس.
The fourth day is Thursday. The fourth day is Thursday.
اليوم الخامس هو الجمعة.
The fifth day is Friday. The fifth day is Friday.
اليوم السادس هو السبت.
The sixth day is Saturday. The sixth day is Saturday.
اليوم السابع هو الأحد.
The seventh day is Sunday. The seventh day is Sunday.
الأسبوع فيه 7 أيام.
The week has 7 days. The week has 7 days.
نحن نعمل 5 أيام فقط.
We only work for 5 days. We only work for 5 days.